Let's talk about organizing our Tupperware. Join me. Now your Tupperware may be glass or it may be plastic, whatever you prefer. However, most storage containers come with a top and a bottom. Storing both of these together is not an ideal way to have a lot of cabinet space. I suggest getting a small basket or a stand-up paper organizer, like a little file thing that you would normally put on your desk. Use one of those to put your lids in. That way you can keep all of your lids in one area and it's nice and neat. Next, you're going to take the bottoms. You're going to stack them according to size. Large, medium, small. Fit them all in together. That way you're not just putting a whole bunch of large Tupperware things with lids in your cabinet. I understand that it's easier to grab your Tupperware with the lid already on it for use, but it is not an efficient and easy way to store them. Stacking your Tupperware like this and putting your lids in one place is going to open you up for more cabinet space. This is going to let you collect more Tupperware or get more items for your kitchen. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family. And please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!